Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel PG Analytics. In this video, I will talk about frequently asked Tableau interview questions. So I have consolidated some of the Tableau interview questions that has been asked in different interview. So in this video, I will cover almost 15 to 20 questions. So this is the part one. I'll make more videos on this and I'll cover advanced questions as well as the scenario based questions. So let's start. The first question is, how would you rate yourself in Tableau out of 10? So based on your experience, based on your knowledge and expertise, you can rate yourself in Tableau Desktop and Tableau Server. Then explain your current project and your role. So when you appear in any interview, if you're going as a experience, make sure whatever is your current project, you should have a good understanding of current project. What is that project is all about and how you're getting the data, what kind of reporting you are doing in this project and your role. What is your role in your current project? So in your role, if you're working as a Tableau developer, what are the activity you do in a day or what kind of process you follow in your project, so that you can explain here. Then what are the different type of filters? So in Tableau we have a variety of filters, so you can explain all different type of filters. Among all the filters, context filter is quite different and very important. So in context filter, they will specifically ask you to explain the context filter and where you have used the context filter in your project. So make sure you should have some real-time examples where you have implemented the context filter. Then what is the difference between live and extract? So in Tableau, there are two type of connections, live and extract. And before that, before this question, they can also ask you what kind of connection you use in your project. So when they ask this question, make sure you mention both live and extract. If you mention only one, so that gives some kind of perception that you are not aware about the other connection type. So for example, if you say you have used live connection only, then you are not aware what are the different challenges that we faced in the extracts. So instead of saying only one, you can just say both live and extract. And you can say in some dashboard, you are using the live connection and in some dashboard, you are using the extract connection. Then same questions, what kind of connection do we use in your project and why? So you have to tell why you are using the live connection and why you are using the extract connections. So live connection we use to show the real-time data and extract connection we use to show the historical data. Explain LOD, level of detail expression, and you have to explain the LOD, what are the different type of LOD, and some real-time implementations where you have used the LOD in your project. Then difference between tree and heat map. So here we have to explain how tree map is different from heat map, and then how parameters different from filters. So in parameters, we can provide user-defined values. We can make a lot of things dynamic using the parameters. And in parameter, you can just select only one value, but in filters, we can select multiple values. Then difference between groups and sets. Then very common questions, what is the toughest dashboards you have created so far? So they want to check what kind of dashboards you have created till now. So any toughest or any challenges you have faced in your dashboard, if you have faced any challenge, how you implement or overcome that. So you have to explain that part. Then what is your day-to-day activity? So I have already covered this in the above question. Then how do you refresh your dashboard? So once you create the dashboard and if you are using the extract connection, how frequently you are using the refreshing the dashboard on server. So that you have to explain based on the data availability, you will refresh the extract. In case if your refresh is failing on server, how would you identify the root cause and how would you resolve that? So when we refresh the extract on server and somehow it is getting failed, so we can see the status on server. And when we see the status, we can see the error message also. So Tableau on Tableau server, it will show the error message. By error, we can start debugging. This is failing because of Tableau server or because of database. So from that error, we can further investigate about this issue. Then what kind of charts do you create in the dashboards? So Tableau provides some inbuilt chart. So along with inbuilt chart, have you used any custom chart? If yes, how would you create that? Then here also you can explain whatever chart you are using in your current project or in your dashboards, why you are using that chart. Then very important questions, how will you improve the dashboard performance? This you have to explain in detail. So you should have some key points that you will check to improve your dashboard performance. And in Tableau, we have something called performance recorder. Using that, you will get the query which is causing the issue. Then any experience on Tableau server, if yes, explain the features that you are aware of. So if you have done if you have done some work on Tableau server, so you have to explain the features, how you publish the report, how will you provide the access to users, and some other features about the server, like alerts, subscriptions, and all. So these are the some questions I have covered in this part. In the upcoming videos, I'll cover more questions. I hope you enjoy the videos. So please like and subscribe. Thank you.